Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Alright, Paul here from EMD Automotive again. We got a Porsche 928 that had a few running issues and things like that. So before I do the other stuff I was supposed to do, I wanted to take the whole fuel head off here so we can have a look underneath here. If you look there, there's a lot of oil leaks on this side here. A lot of oil leaks in there. So it looks like we're gonna check we gotta remove the oil filter housing, which is that part here, and put a new sealant, because that part there is leaking oil. If you look at the bottom part there, the seam there, that's leaking oil already. That's leaking oil as well, so we're gonna remove that out. Nice and easy now, because everything is out. Do that first before we put everything back together. As you can see, the valley is full of oil. It's because of that. Alright, so that will be like the last thing we do. But let's go back into here. We have removed the fuel system out, the fuel heads and all that. And then we're going to, just want to show you how much dirt is inside here. And look at this sealant here. See the sealant there? Someone removed this part off and used sealant. So you can see the sealant in there? See the sealant? That's from the extra sealant that used from before. If you look in here, and this one here as well, we're going to put a new O-ring underneath there. We're just going to seal the whole thing properly. We got new parts already. That's the old part. The fuel head's been rebuilt already, but we might as well clean it and do it properly before we put everything back on. And on the 928, if you're working on 928 like this, just take the whole thing out and do it properly. There's no point doing half-half. All right, so before we put everything back on, we're going to fix the wiring, all the wiring harness and where the wire goes to here, because they're all broken, some of the wiring. This is the last thing we do before we start the car up, and a few gaskets as well for the intake manifold, and we'll go from there. All right, but just a quick video to show you where we are right now. But that's definitely going to come off to change, because the oil is just going straight into the actual valleys. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. By the way, this is our parts here.